Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm from Tampa, Florida, and I'm the Corolla Car Club VP. This is my 2005 Toyota Corolla. I got it fairly stock. I put some 20-inch Murano wheels, Type S side skirts, and the Altis tail lights. And my future plans would be putting the front and rear Type S lip kit, trunk spoiler, and get it repainted looking good. And you'll see here, you know, the progress as it grows, as it goes, and you'll see what this car will turn into eventually. Keep it tuned.
I might be satisfied with it for a while, and I wouldn't turn my nose up at it. But it's not really what I want. Why don't you really know what you want? Two reasons that you don't really know what you want. Number one, you have it. Number two, you don't know yourself, because you never can.
Alright, and also, I'm going to leave my information here. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, anything, hit me up. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. But for now, let's go to this road shop.